picture naman ito ng
Don't forget the green, okay? Smile.
2, 1, 2. Caramel? Caramel thing?
Balik mo sa kami na dito, Chris. Okay, done. Doon ka.
Kasi nagulo na sila.
Add-ons, and then this burger.
More.
Kala customer dine-in takeaway.
For dining, please. Bayadan mo.
Card or cash?
Card.
Bus lang at dito.
Mamaya pag Yan.
Okay. Wait. 2616? Yeah.
Number natin. Grant.
Ah, no. Baka order yan.
Good job. Is that already for money? Money. Come on. Medium.
Go on.
Brother Tabi. Sunday. Chocolate. Ako na nga, ako mo. One chocolate sundae, please.
Okay, tapos you go for dessert. One. And what's your order, please? Chocolate sundae. Top, chocolate sundae. Chocolate. As the customer, dine-in or takeaway, sir? As the customer, dine-in or takeaway, sir?
For dining,
Okay. Tapos na this one, dine-in. Okay. Tip in. As a customer, pay by card or cash? As the customer, pay by card or cash?
by card. Pay by card,
Okay,
please.
tapos together. Yan, good store. And then, try to smile always when the customer is there. Right? Because you also want sa top display. When your customer is coming from me, give it to the customer and say thank you. Okay? So,
Let's go. We will go now in the lobby. Let Grant make it. Grant, make hot fudge.
take this one and give it to the customer. Say thank you. Thank you.
I did.